Hey Dragon Slayers, today's video is about how fasting improves your microbiome. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel out. Let's get started. At the center of most fasting discussions is the incredible changes that happen to us on a cellular level. But did you know your body houses 10 times more bacteria than it does human cells? And these microbes have a tremendous influence on how your human cells function. It is estimated that you have more than 4,000 different microbial species living in and on you, 90% of which live in your gut. They help pull vitamins and minerals out of your foods, make neurotransmitters like serotonin to keep you happy, break down estrogen so it's ready for excretion, and constantly scan your cells for inflammation that might need to be lowered. Trillions of bacteria are all hard at work supporting your cells so they can function at their best. One emerging challenge humans are now faced with is that our modern lives are destroying our beneficial microbes. Everything from the foods we eat, the medications we take, the stress we encounter, to even the Wi Fi that infiltrates our homes is destroying these helpful bacteria. It is a well known fact that one round of antibiotics will destroy 90% of your gut bacteria. 90%. How many rounds of antibiotics have most people been on? 10, 20, or more? Dr. Mindy has consultations with patients who tell her that they have been on more rounds of antibiotics than they can even count. We also have evidence that the simple act of taking one round of antibiotics can change your delicate microbial balance to favor storing your food as fat. Two of the most abundant bacteria you have in your gut, research is providing that obese individuals have firmicutes and bacteroides, causing them to store more of their calories as fat. You can give two people the same diet, and one of them whose ratio of firmicutes are to bacteroides, I can't quite pronounce it, is out of balance, will gain weight, while the other person won't gain a pound. Obesity has also been linked with decreased gut microbial diversity compared to lean individuals. Weight loss, neurotransmitter production, break down estrogen, these are only a handful of jobs these microbes perform for you on a daily basis. Microbes have a hand in everything from how hungry you get to the foods you crave. The more microbial diversity you have, the lower your appetite will be. Depressed yet? Well, there's good news. Fasting brings back the health of all these microbes. It does it in four ways. It improves microbial diversity, moves microbes away from the gut lining, improves the production of bacteria that change white fat to brown fat, and regenerates stem cells that will repair the gut lining. Brown fat is the fat that keeps you warm. It's also easier to burn fat for energy. All four of these factors are key if you're looking to lose weight. According to Dr. Imran Meyer in his book, The Gut Immune Connection, when microbes move further away from the gut lining, better glucose regulation is achieved. This is called microbial geography, and fasting can help create an environment in which the microbes are equally distributed, allowing them to perform at their best. Fasting can also impact the microbes that help turn white fat into brown fat. White fat is the stubborn fat that is hard to burn. Typically, it is subcutaneous fat and the most visible to see, so it's the fat that you most likely want to get rid of first. The best way to lose this fat is to convert it into brown fat. Brown fat has more mitochondria within each cell and therefore produces more heat, making it easier to burn. When you fast, you increase the microbes that can make this conversion. Amazing, right? Lastly, there is impressive scientific evidence out of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology proving that fasting can regenerate intestinal stem cells. Stem cells are cells that can go to any injured part of the body and repair it. With regular 24-hour fasts, you reinvigorate the stem cells that live in the lining of your intestinal tract, allowing them to repair any damage that may have happened from a poor diet, stressful living, or numerous rounds of antibiotics. We also have evidence that longer fasts, like 5-day water fasts, can dramatically impact your gut bacteria, specifically the bacteria that influences blood pressure. A study published in Nature revealed that participants who went on 5-day water fasts, it improved a microbiome change that contributed to a reduction in their blood pressure. The interesting part of this study was that the test subjects were split into two groups, one that fasted before the diet change and one that didn't. Both groups followed the DASH diet, well known for lowering blood pressure. But one group, the diet change was with a 5-day water fast. The group that saw the greatest change in blood pressure, which suggested that fasting could be a superior lifestyle modification over food changes to alleviate high blood pressure. Well, that's what I've got for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel out. And remember, guys, that together, you and I will slay the dreaded diabetes dragon.